Okay, boys and girls, today we have day 10 of our third grade test prep, crunch time. So let's get started. The library has 214 books about cats. Okay? Part A. The library has 56 fewer books about dogs. Fewer books about dogs. How many books about dogs does the library have? So first, is it more or less than books about cats? Well, it's less than the books about cats because it's fewer. So we're going to take our 214, okay, and we're going to take away the 56 fewer books. More on the floor, borrow from next door. There's 4 and 4 is 8. More on the floor, borrow from next door. There's a 5. So how many books about dogs? 158 books about dogs. Part B, if 23 books on cats are checked out, how many are left? Well, again, that's like having fewer books. So we're going to take the 214 books. We're going to take out the 23 that are checked out. More on top, no need to stop. More on the floor, borrow from next door. 8 ones 9, and there's 191. 191 books left. Okay, let's look at the shaded portion. Represents what fraction of the whole shape? So first there are 2 pieces shaded, okay, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So it's got to be 2/6. Nope, that's not it. 2/6. Nope, that's not it. Uh-oh, I don't see 2/6. So let's look at how we go here. So there's 1, there's 1, there's 1. So it's 1 out of 3. I do see that answer. Let's do it with some math here, though. We're going to do an equivalent fraction, and I see 2 can go into both of these. Remember doing that? So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 1/3 it is. Mrs. Monty's going on a walk right now. She's taking Lily. Lily's so happy. All right. What time was it 20 minutes before the time shown on the clock? So we got to go backwards. We got to go counterclockwise with our minute hand. And we're going to go 5, 10, 15, 20. So if the minute hand is straight up and down, the hour hand would be on the 4. So it's going to be 4 o'clock. How would you describe the plane shape? Now, we've done this one quite a bit recently. And I'm going to say, well, we know it's not a line. We know it's not a ray. And we know it's not a line segment. I don't see any lines on here. Except maybe the one I drew a little bit. Whoops! So it's either got to be endpoint or point. Now, if it's an endpoint, doesn't it have to be at the end of something? So it's just a point. Okay. Last one here. Alex is playing a game where he gets 8 points every time he hits the target. He gets an extra 8 points every time his ball hits the target 8 times in a row. How many points will Brady receive if he hits the target 8 times in a row? So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And he gets 8 points each time he hits it. Plus his bonus of 8 for hitting it 8 times in a row. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 eights. 9 times 8 is 72. All right. Now, is it possible for him to score a 64 with 8 times to hit the target? He's got 8 chances? No, it is not possible to get a 64 because if he hits it and gets 64, he'd get his bonus. So 72 points. All right, thanks, boys and girls. See you tomorrow.